Hello everyone, how are you all? We hope that everyone's in good health. We are back with another unboxing and review video. Previously you have seen an unboxing review about our newly launched female watch Sveston Oeuvre. We are pleased to announce a new watch edition in male category under the name of Sveston Oeuvre. The most important thing about our every product is that we dispatch your order to your doorstep in a very attractive and premium packaging as shown on your screens. Curious about what's included in the packaging? Let us guide you. First of all, you will find a customer handbook that shows a welcome note which says, "Welcome to the family of Sveston." Then there is a certificate of authenticity which has a stamp that shows the product you bought from us is original and authentic. Additionally, you will find using instructions for your easiness. You will also get a certificate of warranty which shows warranty expiration date through which you can claim your warranty against your article within a provided time. Our 1-year warranty claim includes water resistance, shipment damage and manufacturing fault. Plus you will get 1-year battery warranty. So without wasting any time, let's get to the features of that watch. Sveston Oeuvre is a very classy, aesthetic and beautiful watch. It has day window on the bottom like a smiley face. Its graceful and classy dial makes it to look alluring and dazzling. It has round dial and at the back Sveston logo is engraved. It has a stainless steel body. Case size is 41 mm and lug to lug distance is 43 mm. Our all watches are 3 ATM water resistant, which means it is safe from any kind of splash, rain and hand washing. Weight of this watch is light, only 71 grams and has mesh band strap with fold over deployment clasp which makes it easy to wear. Sveston Oeuvre is available in 16 different colors on our site. Some of the colors includes silver grey Roman, maroon black Roman, black silver date, rose gold black Roman, silver navy Roman and many more. It has hardened crystal glass. Talking about our product's stress testing, we say it's a long lasting and if by mistake it fell down from a reasonable height, it will not break easily. We hope that you will try this watch and will become a part of our Sveston family. Do share with us your experience after using it. We will wait for your response. We have also recently launched new option for gift wrapping with customized wishing messages. Now you can also send our watches as a gift for any occasion to your loved ones. Why do we offer up to 70% discount? It's very simple. There is no third-party seller involved in between our customers and us. We are the only manufacturer and retailers. That's the reason you can get our products discounted up to 70%. If you want to check our previous unboxing videos, do click on the thumbnails on the screen. Did you like this watch review? Please do let us know in the comment section. Have a nice day. See you next time and most importantly, Ramadan Mubarak.